Hello, this video is about dropping documents to the Dropbox to complete assignments. So all of your written assignments in this class have to go through and be submitted to the Dropbox. So here's how you'll do that if you are composing using Google Docs. Because if you're using Google Docs, there are a couple of steps you have to take in order to get your document into the right format to submit it. So let's go to Google Docs. So I assume that if you're using Google Docs, you have your paper right here, you've been working on it, you're ready to submit it. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have a title on it. And so you just click up here and you can change the title, add the title, because that will automatically become the title that the document saves under when you save it to your computer to then put it on the Dropbox. So the first thing we have to do is make sure that this file is in the correct format. So remember, documents go into the Dropbox in one of two formats, in doc or .docx. And when you're composing on Google Docs, it's not right now in the correct format. You need to transfer it to the correct format. So here's how you do that. You go up to the corner and you click on File. And then you're going to download it as. And what this will do is it will put it in the correct format for you. So you have choices here. The first one is the one we're going to use, Microsoft Word .docx. Another option down here is PDF. That's one you may want to use in the future. But for these purposes, we're going to put it into .docx, Microsoft Word, so click that. And what it does is it automatically downloads the document to your computer. So now it's in your downloads file. And you can leave it in the downloads file if you want to, or you can transfer it to your desktop, and there's a really easy, a really simple way to do that. So if you're working here, you'll want to minimize this frame. So let's say you have it maximized here. You want to minimize it so that you can pull it over, and what you'll see is you have your desktop kind of peeking through here. The desktop is what you see when you log into your computer. It's that main screen. And you can save things to the desktop, and it's pretty easy. You can just drag it and drop it. So you click your left button of your mouse and you get a hold of it and you just drop it over to the Dropbox. Okay? So now our document is saved to, I'm sorry, not the Dropbox, to the desktop. So now our document is saved to the desktop and we can find it there. So let me take you through the process now of, actually I'll leave this screen just like this because I'll want to be able to grab it again. Now go to our course homepage and click on the Dropbox. Now, most of these Dropboxes are closed. They have an opening date and a closing date, and most of them are closed right now because we don't have any assignments due just yet. But I have one open, so I'm going to go into this Dropbox just to show you what it looks like. So you'll click into the correct Dropbox for your assignment. Pay attention to which one you're clicking on. And what you'll see is some instructions inside, so make sure that you read over those and kind of check your work alongside these instructions just to make sure you're doing the right thing. And then when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and add your file. So I clicked from my computer, and I can click the upload button, or I can simply drag and drop it into the box. That's so easy. And then I'm going to click Add. Now you see your document is there in the Dropbox and you're ready to submit it. There's a comment section. Most of the time you don't use that. There's nothing really to say. And then click Submit. And you'll see the document again and then click Done. And that is how you submit to the Dropbox. And you should receive an email shortly after submitting it from the IT help desk. It's a confirmation email that shows you that you submitted something to the Dropbox. Here it is right here. So you want to make sure to keep that just in case it doesn't go through, because you want to have that proof in hand that you dropped it at a certain time on a certain date. If you have any questions, let me know.